Saint Celestine is a revered living saint of the Adeptus Sororitas Order of our Martyred Lady, a being of incredible psychic power and faith believed by many in the Imperium of Man to have been resurrected from death many times as a tool of the Emperor of Mankind himself. As a mortal, she was slain during a campaign against the renegade Warmaster of Thorax, but was returned at various times since the rescue Imperial forces in danger of being destroyed by the enemies of the God Emperor. Wings spread wide, halo blazing, and ardent blade in hand, Saint Celestine is an embodiment of the God Emperor's might. She shines like a star amid the smoke and fumes of the battlefield, radiating holy light. The faithful are filled with strength and courage by her presence, even as heretics recoil in terror. Those who flee are wise to do so, for Celestine strikes like the Emperor's own judgment, smiting the unrighteous with a strength that belies her human form. With a gesture, the living saint calls fires of psychic retribution down from on high, or infuses her sick and injured allies with healing energies. The Gemini Superior fight at her side the former Sororitas Canoness, Genevieve and Eleanor, hand-chosen champions who would lay down their lives and have, several times, to protect the blessed saint from harm. Celestine is borne aloft on a column of divine radiance and sometimes attended by cherubs and doves. She is clad in a suit of shining gold Sororitas power armour and wields a blade wreathed in fire, a blade so bright none can bear to look upon it. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.